In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to block channels on Telegram. So let's get started. So first of all is that there is no direct feature here in Telegram that would let you block a channel. But don't worry, we have a workaround that. So first of all, you want to go into the channel that you would want to block, for example, this one, and you just simply would want to leave the channel. So I'm gonna go tap here on the group profile right here, and then tap here on leave and tap on leave just like that. And same goes for the other group that you'd want to block, for example this one. Tap on the profile picture on the top right again of the group, and again tap on leave, and same goes for the other groups right there. So yeah, once you have now left out of the groups that you'd want to block, you would want to go into your settings next. So tap here on settings on the bottom right. Next is that you would want to go into privacy and security. And from here, you want to navigate under privacy. We would now have these options right here. And then you just simply would want to go here into invites. And basically, you want to set this into nobody. So in this way, you will be able to restrict who can add you to groups and channels with granular precision, as said right here, as you can see in the bottom, so that they wouldn't be able to automatically add you into the group or channel without your permission or without you joining that group or channel manually. So this is the only way to do this, as they don't have the block feature on the channels available here on Telegram. But this is effective for everyone, so no one or no other user would be able to let you or get you joined in the channel or groups automatically. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.